So, what is up guys? So, back to back ang video natin, sunod-sunod. Meron pa tayong waiting na player sa ating pa-race. So, update ko lang kayo guys, na-disqualified si Boss Florencio dahil involuntariment. Hindi siya nag-comply sa ating requested natin, like mag-update siya or i-chat tayo kung kailan siya available para mag-proceed ang ating fight. So, ang gagawin natin dito, si Boss Mark is involuntariment din. Pag bukas hindi pa siya nakapag-respond sa ating chat, ay i-move natin si Boss Batara sa second round. And then, waiting na lang natin ang mananalo kay Boss Erwin Hona at kay Boss Rexel Kulang sa Lambing. And if sino manalo sa kanila, laban-laban. And syempre, kung sino manalo dito, winner versus winner, loser versus loser. And then, sa tatlong to, isa lang ang matitira. That is our winner. So, quick update ko lang yan sa inyo guys. So, ayan guys, ang bago natin lalaroin ngayon is ito, Who's Go. Ayan guys, ngayon ko lang ito lalaroin ulit. Katulad lang last video, suggested ko sa inyo yun.
Sabi mo nanay mo kung anong mula natin.
Sabi nyo. Parang escape to eh. Parang escape game ganun. Or prison game. Haven't looked in a mirror in a while. How do I look? Get out here quick. You've got one-way ticket to dump. Looks like you've busted my hidden stash of loose damage. The guard shuts you up with sweep jab if you have the top. You roll their hurts and stand from the boat to the hallway. The inmates in the neighbor's house clearly towards the bars. Lead. Hey guys, check it out. Top Gun is moving into the boat. He's wearing her house warming this and it comes in type paper badge. The three of ledge the way at the roll of the fire. Flies past you, hitting the on-duty security guard. Oops. What the hell is this? The angry guard burst into the cell and the traveler immediately set themselves to burst the grace. Keep going. Walking past the continuous disgusting bad luck to the street. The guard towards castly and she chatted quickly. You take a glance at the train. It's still forth. Okay. Dito pala siya. You hide the stolen cutlery and you runs at the guard. Since the leading yours. There's the dump cell. Okay, dump out empty pockets. The guard quickly used to find out. I did the right thing by hiding the weaknesses in my arm. Enjoy your vacation, the guard drinks it. And the hot dog becomes to the bed. 4 hours later, when we got to the news in the building and pulled down the cell, smoke starts spewing from under the door, and his clothes traveled with the fire. They got the story to visit the school of vaults on the ventilation supply. Moving yourself up, to climb into the shaft and soon find yourself back in your cell. Sure, I got you this time. Here you are, I was looking for you. Come on, you have matters to attend to for the order. Yes, ang weird naman na ito. Parang story lang siya. I'm off for a well-deserved retirement. So, now you have to look after fellas by yourself. Need to be done. You must be joking. You have forgotten the top dog's duty. Pag-demonstrate them. Dito you are. Anyway, take your bodies under your wing and help them the right choices in tough life situations. I'm not sure. Come on, don't wash out. I've got all the important stuff written down here. You'll figure it out quick. Top dog smokes. Hey, Bros manager, if you try that right in time, help him make it through his sentence. Good luck. Well, let's go. A new con landed in the pen. Your job as the top dog is to help him make it through his sentence. So sa body. Send your body into the available box. You can edit the name and points of your body. Okay. Yeah. Huwag mo mukhang gangster. Napili tayo body natin ito. Wala lang ba? Ayan. Yan. Save natin ito. Save. Yes. Enter the cell. You enter the cell and see an inmate sitting in the bunk. What's up, dude? How about you? Name of response. You enter the cell, exchange introduction with the inmate. Continue. Serve the sentence. Serve the sentence. During a board card during the evening, your cell asks you to steal some alcohol from the medical unit. Ano ba guys? Do it yourself. Para may challenge yun. This karma to achieve 100% success. Continue. Yay! Nice one.
Easy.
Yo, bakit?
Check mo nga sa kalas yung mga ulam.
You got a nickname, barman.
Maluto.
Your relationship with your cellmate is friendly. The fellow will help you out in trouble. But if your relationship is hostile, the cellmate will make life miserable for your character. Serve the sentence. Oh, you shouldn't have taken the meat patty from the supper. Now you're eating up from your deed. Something must be done about this urgently before the problem comes out. Wait, another tutor behind the bench went to the toilet. And hold on. So you did it. You did make it there, even though it was too light. Blast your drop off along the way. Okay. I think the challenge dito is makalabas agad tayo. Sometimes snakes crawl do it. Oh shoot! Dapat pala tutulungan natin siya. Damn! Sorry. The Colombo, you gotta his sensing by news, you open the letter. Hello, Francesco. We're in a great sorrow. Greg, your best investor recently. Can you send some money for me? Oh, you sent 100 coins. The winner, your best friend, turned out to be the sister of one of the local authorities' barman. Veronica told me we're the only one who didn't abandon her in trouble and sent her money. Respect. Yay! So, every time na may minus 1 month, I hope someone will help my family after my death too. So, the sentence. The Filipino can start in the pen. The whole block has been quarantined. Barman, come on, rush to the sequence, take food to... Take the food to my friends. Take the food at the big shop. Take some food to yourself. Give your food. The higher skills, the greater the chance of success. Less remaining skills. Oh, film called on the quarantine block. They're thrown into the heat. The mission to see their sick was not gone without consequences. Dang. Central Hospital. The doctor gave us only one pop of space for this room. This degree says this teacher still needs cupboards, but for us to just divide splitting half of this the medicine. First to take the medicine. Decided that this will develop more medicine. He decided to preserve his health. Dang. Yes, 1 year and 1 month na lang. Busin natin to. Your own brother has gotten into a bad situation. And he get a prison sentence. No one can help him except you. No problem, Barma. Reduce the investigator's power. You pass the money for the bribe, the thieves' channel. While after, you receive a letter from your brother saying the case has been closed. Nice! Nice! 1 year lang tayo, guys. So, sentence. The days you are 34, the clock is ticking, and the life is passing by. Oh, if I had listened to my mother and I am not going to receive it. Bottle of water in hand, pants down, you're lying drunk and you got it. Then what a life forward, then what else can I say? So the sentence. Prisoner organized college races. The trucks are chopped up on the floor and the runners place are settling. Red tayo kasi. Hot tayo. Like risk the first submission. Sentence. And you take your wings through the smile. So mga panalo tayo sa bisinagad. 11 months left, guys. Sir, sentence ulit tayo. Barman brother. They're releasing me. Let's sit in the like people for goodbye. Let's have a drink before hitting the road. In order of the release, your son laid out a serious feast in the hut. We should know exchange addresses. Give a farewell hug. Yeah, drink only a couple of girls when steps guarding here. Send me the bottle under the boat. It's time for me, Barman. I'll wait for you. For you, bro. Herbal liqueur. 10 months. Wait. 11. Okay, tama. Popped up. Makaren ko. Released. As soon as you started losing off your bunk, as news is brought in your cell, he starts to notice your expression. Hey man, who are you? And you were on Cooper, Duper, Field. Get it? You don't believe me? Let me show you a trick. You can't spoil a little button your shine and gives you sliding. The rest of the evening goes more fun. But you never dare to ask where a child who hid the booth. You sound like Anthony Thompson. Third sentence. Hey Colombo, wanna work for me instead of workshop? If you write the info, I'll provide the cash. Be bad, be. Guard says stories into the sword smile, claps on the shoulder and provided. Well done, Colombo, and we reach an agreement. Snitch. If you want to live, know how to twist. Decide to make a deal with the pen administration, but it's possible, but at any moment the boss might find out that the con is a snitch. Damn, you kill me, man. Watch out. It's a shakedown time. The guards will search the cells. Take a look. I hit it all. Yay! Never snitch on your men. Guys, never snitch sa tropa nyo. Lalo na pag, matagal na kayo magtatropa. Wag kayong mag-snitch. Sama yun, men. Sobrang sama mang snitch tropa. Gigigit sa tropa nyo po. Tip lang yun. Tip lang yun. Bisa kayo, karma natin. After each sentence you serve, you gain valuable experience and reputation. With the top leaders, players in the worldwide, just a body. Sa inyo bang? Wait. Yo, man. Get the name of your answer, everybody. Nawala tayo. Guys, nawala tayo. Meron na tayong body kanina. Yo, nawala. Nangyari. Wait lang guys double check ko. Wait lang, double check ko. Naglag ako bigla.
Walang ulam dito.
Wait, double check ko lang. Lang guys wala tayo. May body na tayo kanina.
Anong utangin? Anong utangin? Ayan, kausapin mo anak mo. Anong utangin?
Damn, nawala. Ang ganda ng story natin din eh. Pero guys, kung gusto niyo ng mga story na medyo naboboard ako, pero maganda naman siya. Kung gusto niyo ng gantong game, yung mga parang lang, sakto lang, yung hindi ka naman masyadong maraming gagawin, pero libang laruin yan. Ito, download nyo, let's go.
Wala pong ulam. Meron ng bigas dito. Nagbigay na sila mami. 10 kilo. 10, 10. 5, 10.
Yo, umuwi. Ayun na guys, tinamad na talaga ako kasi umulit siya. Pero yun guys, so ito, lang, kung gusto niyo ng ganitong kind of game story, hindi siya RPG, pero story siya na sinufulfill mo, ikaw yung pipick ng pero ito kasi may limits to, so kaya nang bahala kung gusto niyo, pero para sa akin, kung rate ko siya siguro mga around 4.5, ganun, 4.5 over 10, ganun siya sa akin. So guys, see you in the next game na i-rate natin. So, probably, bukas ko na mapopost ang part 2 ng ating race. See you on that video and see you on the next possible video.